So I had the idea of having episodes related to having your web content be user-friendly. My name's Guy Cook, and the first question in this week's episodes about user-friendly websites is your website using SSL, secure socket layers, to be secure? I did a recent episode. It's in the Google document. There's a link there. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com and look for this episode's title, you'll see the link to that Google document about the top reasons why SSL certificates are important. So, as a part of website management, links to external sources are going to happen from time to time. And I personally don't link to anything that's not HTTPS. Okay? I'm sort of like in the mantra of Google giving top priority to secure socket layer sites, and that's the same rule that I apply. And it just makes sense. So having a user-friendly web presence in 2024 going forward, hey, it's going to happen. And this inspiration for this episode is Voy Media had a post, and that's in the Google document as well that I mentioned just a minute ago. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.